I've always felt a love and connection with animals. As a child, I wanted to be a farmer. I felt really drawn to it. Then at the age of 16, I became vegetarian, so I developed an interest in Hinduism and very much appreciate the principles of non-violence and vegetarianism. And at 19, I became a monk. I joined a temple, but they also had a sanctuary, cow sanctuary. I actually ended up running the cow sanctuary, so I got my desire to be engaged with animals and to some degree farming fulfilled. And I left there in my mid-20s, and after some years I just thought I really missed cows, and I was most happiest when I was looking after cows. And at that time I was in a situation where land was available, so I started off with 2 Jersey calves. That's about 23 years ago, and it's just continued since then and grown. I've always been a country person, and I think just my nature is just suited to Wales. It feels like it's always felt like home to me. Could never imagine living in a city. In Hinduism, the cow is seen as the mother and the personification of the Earth Mother. The cow nourishes with her milk, and cows always have like motherly affection. I have people come that have been quite stressed, and just spending time with the cows, stroking them, has made a big difference to them. The cows must definitely have all their own personalities, and also all their own different little quirks as well. Some cows' personalities may be a little bit more naturally domineering than others. Some more gentle. They're also very much, they like things at a certain time, done in a certain way, and yeah. Their favourite places to be touched are at the back of the head and scratched at the base of the tail. They're places that they can't really reach. If they don't want to be hugged, very often they'll just walk away, or you feel, or else they'll sort of give you a little bit of a nudge, I'm not interested. And they have, as we have, they have their good and bad days. And I've noticed, you can go to a cow one day and they just don't want to know, but then the next day they're very happy to,
Bless you.
He's the best actually at telling you if he doesn't. He'll just throw his head round and stick his tongue out. For many years I've been I'm a one-man band and doing this by myself, and to meet, since we've been doing Cow Companions, to meet people that also have a lot of love for cows, love and affection for cows, has been really rewarding. And just seeing people bond with the cows, and also for the cows to get extra fuss, because I never have the time to give them as much fuss as what they'd like, and so that's been really good. Being around them actually can make us very peaceful, and I think they have a lot more to offer than just their meat. My future hope is to start different sanctuaries around the country. I'd also like to have our own small dairy farm, but where we keep the cow and the calf together, no slaughter involved, and what surplus milk the calf doesn't have, then that would be taken and sold. To me, they're just such innocent, affectionate beings that deserve a good life, So.